Hey, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. This is kind of an introduction thing. I haven't really done any vlogs before. So today I'm going to be introducing myself. My name is Jawad. My Instagram's right somewhere over here. I own a 1990 red Miata, and this summer I'm going to be taking you guys with me on my adventures. And we are currently on an adventure, and by we I mean this is my my friend Jacob.
Hey, it was good.
We're currently driving from Arizona, near Phoenix, Tempe actually. Shout out ASU.
Woo! Let's go.
Let's go. And we're driving up to Northern California to my house, and we're vlogging the journey. Currently, let's see if we can fix this up. We are in Los Angeles. We just got here.
You could tell because of the traffic.
Exactly. We just hit traffic, that's why we decided to vlog. It's gonna be lit, don't you think?
Yeah, we're doing this for you guys, bro. It's fucking hot as shit in here, bro. Like, we have the windows up. It's kind of loud outside.
He's right. This car is... The ACs doesn't really work. No, not really.
It's Mitsubishi.
It's Mitsubishi. I wouldn't expect it to, but I'm actually gonna focus this real quick.
It's a car.
Exactly. So what are we doing?
We are just waiting.
Yeah.
We are going into LA, currently downtown LA.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
Our plan is to find some nice buildings to go. Oh, we're probably dark as shit. Hold on. Wait. We are. That's okay, guys, for future reference, this is my first time vlogging and my camera doesn't have autofocus. So it's gonna be a rough one until I get a new camera body, but...
Bro, I say we just roll down the windows, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, we're stuck in traffic anyway, and we can get... Oh, see, I can see myself in the side mirror now. It's got both of us in here, and we're fucking chilling. So the plan for these vlogs, I want to try to put out as much content as possible for this summer until we go back to school. Because I'm not taking my car down to Arizona for reasons that don't need to be specified on, but every summer we're gonna make like a season of vlogs, like a TV show, but for vlogs. This is season 1, episode 1, and we're gonna try to get as much content for you guys as possible. So stay ready, hit that subscribe button,
Give a like.
get a like, drop a like down here. It's probably still dark as shit. There we go. Right? Alright. So enjoy this B-roll from Arizona up to fucking Northern California. Actually, no, I lied. Enjoy this B-roll from Arizona to when we got here, and then we'll cut to the hotel.
Bro, my back caught moisture. Now everything's all wet.
That's funny. Alright guys, we're at the hotel. We're currently just hanging out. I just took a shower Jacob's gonna take a shower, and then we're probably gonna head out, get something to eat downtown. We'll take you guys with us. We'll show you around LA, and then since we're traveling from the dorms back home, I'm taking all my stuff with me. So everything from the dorm I have with me. I have my whole suitcase right there, and that means I have my Xbox. So we got the Xbox playing. We're gonna play some Fortnite later. We got fucking lights for days. I'll show you in this. My dorm setup was crazy, and we had lots of. Alright, my battery just died, but what I was saying was that we have hella lights in here. Hell yeah. We got some LED color changing ones up there. Got some nice yellow ones down here. Got some Jeezy playing on the TV. It's lit up in here. Got my laptop out. I was just clearing the memory card. We're about to go to dinner at Hi-Ho Cheeseburgers. Should be pretty good. It's apparently like one of the best burger places in town.
I'll be the judge of that.
And Jacob will be the judge of that. I'll see you guys there. Oh, the lens cap's on. I was wondering why I couldn't see it. Alright, we're heading out. Yeah. Alright. Currently heading out. Gonna drive over to, what was it called?
Santa Monica Beach.
Yeah, Santa Monica Beach. I don't remember the name of the restaurant. I think it was like Hi-Ho Burgers or something. But
Oh, Dad's.
we're about to eat.
We about to go eat some of those.
Hell yeah.
I think it's recording. Well, here we go, back again, going to San Francisco.
Oh yeah, day 2. We're out here driving. We got like 3.5 hours left until we get to my house.
It's gonna be lit. We got JD over here driving.
Yep. And Jacob sits shotgun, taking nice little vlog clips for you guys.
Hell yeah.
So we're gonna have a little montage on the way back, and we'll talk to you when we get to my house. Hop on up.
Bro, these hell run by a wash.
Yeah, that's true.
Dinner on this.
Oh yeah.
Stands this way.
Alright. It's a little windy. I hope it doesn't mess up the camera or the mic. Okay. So we kind of prematurely ended the vlog yesterday. We kind of just got excited and we were tired. So we took out the Miata from the side. I have a clip of it. I think I already showed you, but I'll put it again if I didn't. So today we are going to be doing stuff to my car and his car. Basically what I'm doing today is, what am I doing today? I'm doing custom door cards. So I'll show you better later, but that's what I'm doing today. And then I might fix the grounding issue with my battery.
Yeah.
And then, so what are you doing today?
So the car behind you, can't see it, but we're gonna buff out the headlights, make it clear. Maybe go get it washed, hopefully. And that just fix the headers.
Yeah, I think there's
Right?
an exhaust leak somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There has to be.
We're gonna try to fix that. Just tighten it.
Yeah.
Basically clean her up.
Yep.
That's the plan for today. So let's get started.
Let's get it started.
Stop playing with them, fool.
Alright, I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna be doing with this car real quick. So these are the usual Miata door panels. Basically what I want to do with this car later is take the dash out and flock it. I don't know if you guys have seen Gingium, but he just did this and it made me realize I want to do it too. I'm going to do the same thing as him. I'm going to leave this not flocked and this not flocked, but I'm going to flock the whole thing. For those of you who don't know what flocking is, it's like getting really thin like suede material. It's like a bunch of powder and you put adhesive all over the dash and then dump the powder on it and it becomes like fuzzy, like for rally car drivers. They use this to keep the glare off their dash and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing, but I'm not obviously doing it for racing, I'm just doing it for looks. And I want to flock this top part as well, also like Gingium, but instead of what Gingium did was, instead of taking this bottom leather part, he put aluminum. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this leather out and I'm gonna put quilted leather, which I have inside right now. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm gonna take this bottom section right here and make it into quilted leather instead. Alright, I just got the door back together actually. I skipped a little bit in the vlog, but I just wanted to make sure everything would work out and it looks good. So basically what I did was I took out this door card. You saw all this. I just took off this, unwrapped the little edges on the sides of these. And then I traced it, cut it out, and then I just put it on. What I wasn't sure was how do I fold it and keep it like tucked. So what I did was I used duct tape to kind of stick it, and I was a little sketched out at first, but it worked out really well. And then what I did was I cleaned up this speaker. It used to look like that, all rusty and gross. So I just sanded it down so it's clear, and I took off the backing. There was like a little bit of fabric, so now you can see through it and see the speaker and stuff. So it was a massive improvement, and honestly I love the quilted leather look. So just seeing that versus that, Like, just makes me so happy. Alright, both the doors are done. And we are about to clean up the trunk because it is a mess. So I think what we're going to do is first is take off the wing, and then we're just going to clean up the back. And I think, so when I bought this material, it said it was 52 inches by a yard. I was kind of scared it wasn't going to be enough, but I actually finished with a whole other like door card worth. So we're gonna use that extra, and we're gonna cover up this wood, and we're gonna make the back match the interior, make this thing show car ready. And yeah, that's the plan. Here we go. Alright, we got the box all done, matching the doors. We're about to put her in. You want to put her in?
I'll put it.
Look at that. Beautiful. It's
Gorgeous.
like beautiful. Fits perfectly. I custom made this box earlier. I don't have the video on that, unfortunately, but looks nice. We're gonna hook it up. We mounted the amp on the back of it, and we're about to plug it in and start her up. Alright, we just finished up.
Oh yeah.
Fucking got the doors all quilted and nice. And we got the back looking like a stance car. And so we're just gonna put the wing back on, and we'll be done for the day. And that'll end the vlog. So let's finish this up.
Yep.
Oh, actually, we might take Jacob's car for a car wash. That might be in the vlog. If we get there, you'll see.
Yeah.
All right, gonna finish this. Alright, what's up guys? I was just editing the vlog and finishing up, and I realized that I never made an outro. So I didn't realize that this was going to be an 18-minute vlog, but normally vlogs won't be this long. They're only going to be like 10 minutes. It's just the whole LA trip and the drive up was kind of included in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It's normally going to be a lot of like working on car stuff, or like behind the scenes when we go for shoots and stuff like that. It's going to be a lot of that. There's going to be a lot to come. I'm not going to try to do like daily vlogs or weekly vlogs or anything. I can't really promise anything, but I'm going to try to make as much stuff as possible. So as much content as I can put out. I'm always put it out on DBZ Media. Subscribe below, and don't forget that, I don't know what not to forget, but don't forget. So we'll see you next time in the next vlog.